Hello, it's Ellie. How are you? Kako ste? Let's visit London one more time. Hajde da prošetamo Londonom još jednom i vidimo koja mesta ste zapamtili. Answer the questions, please. What's this? It's London. Good job. What is this? It's Big Ben. Great job. What's this? It's London Eye. Amazing. What is this? It's Tower Bridge. Great job. What is this? It's a London bus. Great. What is this? It's a London cabbie. Who is this? Oh, it's a London Bobby. And who is this? Oh, it's a London guard. What is this, guys? It's the River Thames. Amazing job, guys! Sada mi pošaljite broj tačnih odgovora. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.